Yes, recorded. It was Bo B, official Dirty Water representative. I got this little poem I wrote. I'm just practicing this shit, and I just want to see how I sound kicking it, so fill me out, check it. Get right into the shit. Life is real out there in those streets. Young kids carry heat, but don't bust when it's beef. But the next day, always got something to say. Talking about niggas can't fuck with my gunplay, but you won't do shit. As soon as real beef jump off, cowards like you split. Some get hit, run with the burner and jump in the whip. Put on some gospel music and start praying to God and thinking. You throw your black hoodie on, got your steel with you, you extra hard pranking. But I can see through you like a windshield. You got the mean ice grill, but you far from real. Yeah, but you close to the phony. Yeah, you close to the rats. And you definitely close to the snakes. Cowards like you is A-like with fake. Nowhere near stand up. You sit down when it's time to man up. And you gonna blame what? Yeah, okay. You ain't got no vibe. And when you stand next to real kings, niggas like you gets no shine. And you got the mohawks, tight jeans, and fake ice. Following dick swallowing niggas can never be live. But y'all think y'all are. From your money and your cars, from your clothes and your hoes. You can stand in front of me with both eyes closed and I can still see your empty soul. And this is something your retinas can't detect. You gotta be dealing with a higher intellect and learn how to work your chi. But this don't work for wannabes. You gotta be dealing with 360. And your niggas is nowhere near half. You trying to save, but you subtract and never add. Now is that backwards, man? Oh man. Life is real out there in them streets. I'm doing my part trying to teach. And you wrong if you think this is a rap or some type of speech. I just speak the spoken to the youth. They got their minds open. And sometimes I feel chosen to get the stagnant moving and unthought of frozen. See, I tell them it's okay to set goals, accomplish them, and stay focused. See, my uncle said I was gifted. When I talk, people listen. So I'm going to embrace his wisdom. And I'm going to utilize that jewel. And I'm going to tell kids, learn all you can. And don't be afraid of school. See, I figure if I plant 100 seeds, maybe I grow 7 strong, beautiful trees with deep roots, with knowledge for leaves. And every day will be fall. Yes, y'all. Some more real hip-hop. You don't stop shit.